My viewers, once you're on Jamaican Farmers Hut, you will know what's going on. This is bush cabbage. Bush cabbage. This cabbage don't fall. Bush cabbage. Just the leaf you pick. Yeah, bush cabbage. It can make juice also. Bush cabbage. Let me give you a closer look. Bush cabbage. All right, my viewers? Yeah, bush cabbage.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Jamaican Farmers Hut. Yes, my viewers, right in this location here, I was farming on this little location here. Yeah, you don't know me as a man of sugar cane. So I try to plant a lot of sugar cane everywhere I try to have a farm, you know what I mean? So yes, as you can see, every time I pass here, I have to cut a cane. Yeah, because all here was planted by me, you know what I mean? Yeah, some banana and planting and sugar cane and so forth. Some yam was here, but you know, it's all about. Some grass here, very dangerous. Stick and stay to see what's coming next. I'm going to the farm where the two color cabbage is. The purple cabbage and the green cabbage. Stick around, stick and stay to see what's coming next. It's all about the field with the purple and green cabbage. As you can see, it kind of a little bit grassy because you don't know when the cabbage reaches time to pick. The farmers always leave it, you know, for little grass to grow back. As you can see, and as you can see, there's a lot cut out already. Yeah, there's a lot reap out already. So the farmer come and harvest whatsoever, you know, you want to harvest out of the field. Yeah. All right, as you can see, green one. Yeah, they are very big at this time. But as you can see, the purple one, this is what's going on. You can see this one is started to fold. Yeah, right along the line you can see. It seems like the purple cabbage take longer to fold than the green cabbage. Yeah, right along as you can see. This is what's going on. Look on this one here. Look on this one here. Yeah, it is folding very nice. Yeah, so as you can see, the green one fold quicker than this purple one here. All right, so I'm going through the field here, my viewers and subscribers, to show you what's going on here. Beautiful. As you can see, right here is cleaned. Yeah, right here is cleaned. And at this time, it's a female doing some work here on this farm. You know what I mean? Yeah, this farm owned by a male and a female, you know what I mean? But the male is not here, the female is around, but she don't want to go on camera. All right, so it's all about. All right, these are the green cabbage, as you can see, started to fold. Yeah, let me take a view, give you a better look here. Like our here is very clean. Yeah, yes man, the green and purple cabbage. Yeah, that is for the thumbnail. Like I said, because out of one video I can get a lot of picture out of one video. You know what I mean? So this is for the thumbnail. Right at that spot. So yes, my viewers, the weeding stop here, so we go back into grass. As you can see here was harvest. Yeah, here was harvest. Here was harvest. Right through was harvest. Yeah, right through here was harvest. Yeah, all right, we're touching the beauty of the bell peppers right now. Do you remember in previous video I showed you the bell peppers here? Yeah, all right, it is a time for them now to bear. As you can see, yeah, As you can see, there's a lot of peppers on tree here now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There's a lot of pepper here on tree now. And you can see the different type of pepper because take a look on this here, these here. These one is here. Them look light green. All right, take a look on this one here. Very green, very dark green. It can show that you can see that it is different pepper, you know what I mean? Yeah. So yes, you have to plant. You have to plant. Right through here is pepper, you know what I mean? Yeah, bell peppers right through. Yeah. Look on this little tree here. It have on 2 big pepper on it. Alright. Yeah. Yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. Back into the purple. Back into the purple cabbage. As you can see over there, weed out lately. Alright. So I'm here where the sunshine is right now. Alright, my viewers. Here is a fold one. Well fold. Feel hard. Yeah. Yeah man, it feel hard, you know. Countryman style, Jamaican patois. Yeah man, I wanna feel hard too, you know. Seeing. Yes, my viewers, me have to look, you know, come here, take a machine and bush. All the time me one day a bush, that's how I go. You see it there? Beautiful, look at this one here. Come out of the shade and show you what's going on. Very wonderful green cabbage, don't it? Yeah, seems like there's not enough insect here to eat, so you can see them don't have a whole heap of bite. But purple cabbage, purple cabbage, purple cabbage, purple cabbage. Beautiful, don't it? Yeah. Purple cabbage. As you can see, this one was harvested. This one also. And this one also. This one also. There's a lot of purple one cut. There's a lot of purple one harvested. Yeah. Yeah, as you can see, there's a lot. There's a lot. There's a lot, my viewers. Yeah. This one is very hard also. Purple cabbage. This one is very hard also. Whoa. Yeah, this one was cut. Yeah. I hear a lot of bees. Hear a lot of bees, my viewers. I don't know if it is a bee's hive or something, but I hear a lot of bees here. Yes, I'm in Campbell's here now. Up in the hills here. Yeah. Wow, that one is very tough. Yeah man, the purple cabbage and the green cabbage, but right now I'm in the purple. Yeah. Take time going through and through because I don't want to smash on anything, you know what I mean? Yeah. Real man. Alright. Alright. Trust me. Purple cabbage. Yes I. Yes I. Alright. Purple cabbage, my viewers. Purple cabbage. Yes, my viewers. I'm gonna give you a view from up here. Yes, my viewers, just need to weed out. As you can see, just started to weed out. Yeah. Don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to the channel, Jamaican Farmers Hut. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. If you don't do so, you're not going to see the next video coming out. Alright? So yes, my viewers. Lovely. Lovely. Yeah, man, beautiful cabbage. Beautiful cabbage, my viewers. Alright? Beautiful cabbage, my viewers. Beautiful cabbage. So at this time now, my viewers, me need one green cabbage, one purple cabbage. So I have to get my machete, cause me go and cut one green cabbage and one purple cabbage. Yeah. So right now I have to search for. I go for my machete. Yeah, this is my chopper, my viewers. So I need a purple cabbage and a green cabbage. So I always see one here, very big. Yes, my viewers. Whoa, these leaves, my viewers, the outside leaves, looking good, my viewers, looking good. All right, going to find a normal, tough green one now, because all I need after this is a piece of salt fish. You know what I mean? Whoa, can't find any big green one. Can't find any big green one, my people. It don't look big. Can't find a green. Can't find a big green one, my viewers. I love to see when the worm eat them, you know. When the worm eat them, that means no chemical is not there. Very small. See if I find one here. Very small. I need a nice little one to put with that one. Whoa, this one is big enough, but the worm go on and eat it and him eat. Yeah, but that is the best one. Can't find a green one to put with my purple. So I'm gonna work with these two here. Alright, my viewers, stick and stay to see what's coming next. Alright. So many leaves. Put it back into the plantation for mulching. Alright. Put it back inside of the plantation for mulching. Good to go. Big up on yourself here. Happy plant sitting. If you don't plant nothing, you go hungry. See? Stick around. Alright, my viewers. Here what's going on now. This is what the farmer used to know when Jamaican farmers come near the farm. This is what them take to notify that I was here. Because everywhere I go, I have to find a piece of cane. Alright? So yes, my viewers, the purple and green cabbage that I showed way back in the previous video, alright? So I'm going to a farm now. I should pick a pepper, you know. I should pick one pepper. You don't think you don't think so, people? I should pick one pepper, don't it? Yeah, man, I should pick a pepper. Alright, I'm gonna pick just one pepper. I don't want more than one. Just one pepper I want. Just one. Just one turn pepper me want. I go pick just one. Just one turn pepper I go pick. Just one. Me here tick still a mash me people. I don't think a mash tick. One time the mash tick could have broken in the ears. Alright, my viewers. As you can see, the time is very dry, so each time the person come a bush, she have to bring some water. So she always, get a vehicle to bring some water here. Because she have to water most of the time, the plants. Alright? So yes, it's all about, we are inside the gully, the valleys, because we are up. The hills are right around us. Yeah. That place here named Tick Bottom, something like that, Tick Bottom. Alright, I'm going to Val Plantation now, my viewers. So stick around, don't touch the dial. You will see. Do you remember Val Plantation? Yeah, otherwise named Paco Mike. I'm going to his plantation right now. So peace, my name is Ever Slick. I'm gonna be out for now. Stick around for the next video.